Hello guys, it's me again back with a video. Just to recap again and update what's going on at the moment. Okay, for the Voron 2.4 Linux Stealth, everything is on board. The 4 toolheads, as you can see, I have removed the umbilical. Why is because we can't do anything yet without BTC done. So Jackbeam is doing all the macros of BTC is done by Jackbeam. So unfortunately I will have to wait for him to be able to do a test for the machine right now, but this has been basically all set up. 5 spools on the right here with the filament, the spool hub here. So all the spools will be going in from here to the back to the umbilical hub and going up, and this is tool 0, but actually it's just working as a single tool right now. So that's what I've been doing. It has to wait for BTC macros to be done, and then I can test it out. So the Dockslide is using a belted Dockslide. This Dockslide can move up down so that it will move all the way up to the top, so that the gantry can reach the max 350 height without any build volume loss. This is currently 0 build volume loss lah. So we get 350 by 350 in X and Y and also in Z, right? So while waiting for the BTC for Voron 2.4, I have rebuilt my Vzbot. This is the first Linux that was done, but what I mean by I rebuilt is I put the latest R2.1 toolhead down here. This is using the Fizak kit that was available. So I've built a toolhead with the Fizak kit, and another change is the Dockslide. As you can see, it's now running belted instead of the rack and pinion. There's nothing wrong with the rack and pinion, but since we now have the module for the stepper motor brake, so that stepper motor brake will prevent the docks from slamming down, the Dockslide from slamming down if there's any shutdown or any loss to the power, so it won't slam down. So far with one tool, the docks doesn't slam down, it just moves very slowly. So I don't know if there's 5 tool, will it slam down or not, I don't know. But at the moment I'm doing the bashing, 100 iterations of the bashing in progress. So just now I did a 50 bash, so this is 100 bash just to break in the toolhead and the mechanism, everything. So, and also the umbilical, I put a similar umbilical hub, the one that I've made for the Voron 2.4, but the difference is the umbilical hub now will be pointing upwards instead of at an angle. So that's because it's better, I feel that it's better to arch the angle the umbilical outwards this way rather than angling it outwards that way. So I'm trying this umbilical hub as well, as you can see here, the same as 5 toolhead, and also the PTFE is running from the back all the way to the side here. There's also the filament hub here, but I've yet to put the spool mount. I'll put the 5 spool mount as before, and I'm not very sure whether I will be enclosing this printer, because I already have one enclosed printer down here. So I don't know if I will be enclosing this, because once it's ready I will strictly maybe use this for all the multicolor prints, you know, because I want to get it up and running and print multicolor as well. So basically that's it, that's the changes. So the 2 motors are the 2 motors from before, the LDO motors, belted Dockslide. And for the extrusion bar, dock extrusion bar, I can only get my hands on the silver one, so that's what I have to go with. The black one are out of stock at my location. So that's it, and basically that's it for the update. So this is the R2.1 toolhead. It's running very well, and you can get the kit the Toolhead kit, the Voron kit, Voron carriage kit, the Vzbot carriage kit from Fizak is available now. You can get the kit easily if you want to assemble one, so you don't have to source. If you want to source, it's okay, you can, up to you to source, but the kit come pre-soldered with the wires, everything. The LEDs are all pre-soldered with wires, the micro switch are all pre-soldered with wires. Let me see if I can find a kit here. I got one more kit I think down here, like for example this one. And also they have included the Allen key as well for you, so it's not that difficult. Everything is complete. Like let me try to open up this. Hold on. Okay, like this micro switch is wired already for you. And then let me see, is there any LED down here? Yeah, this LEDs also, the NeoPixel LEDs are all also pre-wired, so it's very easy for you. But for the first batch of the kit, there seems to be a problem with the LED. It's not a problem, but the wires is a bit short. So the wires is a bit short going from the toolhead all the way out to EBB. This the wire here, the end of the wire here. So you might need to do some extension. I apologize for that, because this is my mistake. I have miscalculated the length that is required. It's not Fizak fault, it's my fault. So this wire is a bit too short. It's easily to just extend it if you want. I'm doing a second and a third toolhead for this Vzbot. This is the R2.1 toolhead, because I want to get 3 toolhead running first. Then at the end of the month, maybe I can buy 2 more hot ends for the other 2 toolhead. And for the hot ends, previously Triangle Lab sent us one hot end to test, and I really like it, the CHC Pro. So I bought this Triangle Lab CHC Pro heater kit. So this is a volcano length ceramic heater. It really heat up very fast. That's what I like about it. I already have this heatsink from my previous V6 CHP, so I just put in the heater block to the heatsink and I have it already. So it's a volcano nozzle as well, and basically that's it. A very simple and nice hot end. I've gone and bought 2 of those here, as you can see. So that will be my 2 toolhead for the Vzbot. And I'm going to use these 2 also for the next 2 toolhead as well. So basically I'm setting up the other 2 toolhead for the Vzbot, and after that, once everything is up, we can do our tabi. Now I'm using tabi for calibration instead of notch. Tabi is another calibration tool, nozzle offset calibration tool like notch, but it's much more easier to set up and fine tune than notch. So I'm going to be using that for the nozzle offset calibration. I'm going to be using tabi. So after my the other 2 toolhead are complete, I'm going to do the tabi calibration, and then I will try to do the printing. Right, so catch you guys in another video later. Yeah, all right, see you.